Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make your header transparent on Squarespace 7.1 in just a few quick steps. First, log into your Squarespace account and find the site you want to edit. Click the Edit button to open the site editor. You'll see your page load up with all the sections editable and ready to customize. Now hover your mouse over the header area at the top of your page. When you do this, you'll see an Edit Site Header button appear right on the header itself. Click on it. This opens a pop-up menu with all your header design options. You'll see 3 tabs at the top labeled Global, Desktop, and Mobile. In that pop-up menu, click on the tab that says Colors. Once you're in the Colors section, you'll see options for your background and navigation colors. This is where the transparency setting lives. Look for either a transparent toggle or an option called Adaptive. Different Squarespace accounts show slightly different labels here depending on when your site was created, but both do the same thing. Turn that toggle on, or select the Adaptive option. As soon as you do, your header will become see-through and sit on top of whatever image or video you have in your first section. The background disappears and the header floats over your content. Once you've got it how you want it, click the Save or Done button to close the settings panel. Your changes are now live on the site. A couple of things to keep in mind about how this works. This effect looks best when your first page section has a full-width image or video banner behind it. The transparent header will work with a single image, a slideshow, a GIF, or a video background. The header will automatically inherit the color theme from whatever's in that first section. So if your first section uses a light color theme, your navigation text will pull from that theme to stay visible. If it's a dark theme, the text adjusts accordingly. You'll also want to check how it looks on mobile. Squarespace has separate settings for desktop and phone views, so toggle to the phone view in the editor and confirm the text is still readable on smaller screens. The transparency effect carries over, but the spacing and layout might differ. One last note, if you're using a gallery section set to full bleed width as your first section, the header won't actually appear transparent over the gallery images by default. It'll show the background color of that section instead. That's a known limitation of how gallery sections interact with the header in Squarespace 7.1. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.